guys, welcome to my channel, and today's video is all about a room tour of my son who is 4 years old now. I'm going to take you with me in the entire room and how we've sorted his toys, how I've placed the books, how we find place to do activities and a lot more things. So let's get started. As you see, this is a huge room, and to let you guys know, this is our rented apartment because our house is getting renovated. And the furniture that you see here is from Furlenco. And starting with, as you enter his room, you will see a monkey bar here. This is from Amazon, and my son had seen at my nephew's place and he really loved it, and so we picked it up for him. So this is quite sturdy and very good for little one. And as you come in, you will see a bunk bed here, which I'm going to show you about it. As you walk in with me, you will see that I have placed his panda car, which was gifted by his nanu when he was too small, and he still uses it. This is again a kitchen set which we purchased for him, and the cool thing about it is that, you know, it gives the light sound, steam comes out, and then you can play with the water. I've made an entire video on this, do check that out. And just beside this, I've kept all the equipments that he would need it for the kitchen, from fruits, vegetables, serving spoons and so on and so forth. So everything is in this basket. This basket is from Furlenco. They had given it to us with the furniture that they had given, so this came with that. Next out here, I have kept his bath toys, or you know, the sand toys, which we just randomly kept it here. Then this table and chair is again from Furlenco, and this table is very sturdy, very good, his size. And I've kept it here so that he can do his school, his online classes, and everything is out here. And it's a very good quality chair, and it's very reasonable for someone who's staying in a rented apartment and don't want to invest so much in a furniture. And this again in his nameplate out here. This is then we've got a dressing table so that he can get ready here, or if I'm making a video, I can just come and check myself. In the first drawer, I've kept all his school supplies here, from whatever he would need on the daily basis, his school books, his crayons, poster colors, which is very easy for school. And out down here are the papers from class monitors for the activities we pick up. So I set activities for him. A day prior, or I do the weekly activity for him and I keep it there. And on this carpet that you see here, we sit here, we do the activities, we play puzzles, we do a lot more activities here. And this mat is from IKEA. I'm sure a lot of you know, but IKEA has some amazing good mats for children. Moving on here, this section is very big, and I'm going to tell you in depth as to what it is, because this is where I usually record my videos. Then we'll come to the bunk bed. Now this bunk bed is really good because it came with one more bed, which is in our master bedroom where he's sleeping right now. So it's the same thing which can go inside. And this is the bunk bed. It's very sturdy. Even I climb up and we both read books, we just play, we do whatever we want to do upstairs, and it's a very cozy space. I've just decorated here with few of his soft toys, a family of figures like the father, mother and Ayan, the little one. And this is where we chill, we play and we hang out. Most of the times he's here by himself. And out here, this is the door hanger which we got it from IKEA, and I've just hung this dartboard and a glass or whatever I just wanted to keep. Normally I hang his uniform here for the next day of school. And at the bottom I have not kept the bed. As mentioned, the bed is in our master bedroom, and I have laid out all the toys for him that I know he can play with. And the good thing about the bunk bed is they've given these pouches attached to it, like they are removable and washable, like he's got velcro in it, and they've given pouches and you can store things. This is a good idea if you're making your own home and you would want to do this. You can just do it to your normal bed as well, for the adults also, which I'm planning to do it. So next, moving on, I'm going to take you in the space here. You will see there's a SL board which is from IKEA. Here you can write with the chalk, and behind you can write with a marker. Also, this is if you can see this is a roll of paper which is again from IKEA, and he can paint, he can write whatever he feels like. and there's a chalk and everything. So currently he's doing his phonics classes, and this was his homework, and that's how I've kept it here. So every now and then when he comes in the room, he knows what these words are. He gets familiar with it. Then I've placed his car, his basketball thing, and his scooter. I've just randomly kept things like his mat, a hula hoop, and the tent. The Mickey Mouse is actually a tent, and so I can empty this space and he can keep a tent here and he can play whenever he feels like playing. Moving on, he's a big construction holic and he loves construction things. So I've specifically kept a transparent box here. This box I've got it from Amazon, but this is available on IKEA at a cheaper rate, so I suggest you buy it from there. These are all his construction toys, from excavator to firefighter and everything that is related to that, and a handy kit tool here. This box again is from Furlenco. They had given it with the furniture, and in this I have stored all the activities which you have seen in my video. There is First Cry Intel kit, then there is Flinto class, then there is Einstein box. So all the activities are in the packet with the name written on it. So it says space puzzle, and all I have to do is remove it, play, and then put it back, and I don't display these activities. So these are all the activities that are here. And then this is a bouncy ball. This is from Decathlon, and this is really good. We just keep seeing him jumping around the house. So this is again sturdy and nice, available in pink color also. Then this box is just random cars, random toys, which I know he will just remove and play. Like we have Buzz here, then there is PJ Masks, Catboy. So all the random toys are here, which daily he removes it, he plays it, and then we keep it back. Then out here in that corner section, out here is again a small box wherein I have kept toys which are actually figures. So this is from Trolls. This is gifted by his Mamu, and this random Smurf toys. So these are actually figures which he can remove and make a story out of it. Then moving on to this section, these boxes is again from Furlenco. So all the boxes that you see will be from Furlenco. So he's just randomly kept a ball here. So these are all the board activities, from the puzzles to Hindi vowels to ABCD to map, and same way with these puzzles I have in a box. I have kept the puzzle attachment, so that all I have to do is remove everything, then we play, and then we can keep it back. So this is that. Again, this is a puzzle out here, which is a board puzzle. Then out here there's some fridge magnets and other board activities only is for that. So I'm not mixed and kept it. I've just kept everything in one because he sometimes just wants to play this, so we just remove it, get it on the mat, play there, and then we keep it back. Then I will take you to, then we start from this section. Out here, this box has all the toys which I had got it from Shumi Toys. So there is a duck, there is a screw thing, then there is an ice cream section and the dinosaur toys. So everything has come in this, and I just like to keep it in one place. In this box, so this big box is a pretty old one, and we had got it from First Cry when we were making our house. So it's got all bats, balls, so everything is out here. Then this table, I've kept it here because sometimes he likes to eat his lunch or dinner here in his room. So this is the ladder which a lot of you have asked me. So we got it custom made from our carpenter. This was actually in our old apartment, which is right now getting renovated, so I had just got it here. And normally I keep photo frames and all, but because I had to keep something in his room because his room is really empty and I don't have lots of cupboards, so I got this here. I've just kept random frames here, which I know he would not reach up till here to take the toys, and I didn't want to waste the space, so I've just kept frames, pictures, bubbles, camera, the rainbow stacker, and I've just left it like that. The last three shelves that you will see have majorly got puzzles, games, board games, and in the last shelf I've kept these educational toys, which is called storytelling, match and learn, what's my opposite. Then there is a solar system puzzle, then there is these puzzle, and out here I've kept all his flashcards, so it's very easy for him to just access and to take it out. which I always feel that it's very important that when you set up a room for your child, it has to be accessible to them, because most of the times we are either in the kitchen or we are in the bedroom, and they should not be dependent on us to take out the toys. So that's the reason I've kept it all here, so that he can just sit on the mat and he can play. Then the most beautiful feature about his room is this cabinet. This is again from Furlenco. As mentioned, this is on rent, and you can take these furniture on rent, and I got it for his room. So I'm just going to take you with me as to how I have placed the toys. And not to forget, I didn't want to leave this space in the end. So this box is from IKEA, and he loves, there was a phase where he was obsessed with firefighters. So these are all the firefighter toys with his costume in it. So that just goes in here. And these are the toys that I have placed along with some books. So as you all know, I keep telling that it's very important that a child has books, and Ayan has loved books from the time I had started reading out to him. Also, I keep posting videos about our monthly favorites. If you haven't checked out, then do check that out as well. So this is where his book storage and toy storage goes. So out here are all the story books. This first section I have placed all the story books that he has been reading, loving and enjoying it. And these are all the thin ones, not the fat ones. And on this side I have kept the thicker books like Peter Pan, and then there is Peekaboo, which was his first book, and other books out here. On top of the shelf is a calendar which has got date, month and the clock and time and everything out here. I've kept his toys, which is a firefighter, a helicopter. Then on these two shelves, out here I've kept his Duplo set, which sometimes he likes to play and sometimes he doesn't even remember that he has it, but I've still kept it because right now is the phase where he wants to play with them again. Then out here are these Jenga puzzles. So I have colorful ones and I have the plain ones. Now what we have started doing with Jenga is we make alphabets out of it. We stack them, and I have taught him how to play Jenga, especially the colored ones. So if I tell him to remove a red color, he removes that, or a yellow color. You can do a lot of things with Jenga, so that's the reason I've kept it here. And you can be more creative with the activities. So these two trays are from IKEA again, and we've got a lot of them because this is very handy and it looks very nice and neat in the cupboard. In the bottom shelf are these books, which are more on the educational side, which has got dictionary, my jumbo alphabet and coloring book and all. Then this toy is again from IKEA. It's the hammer toy, where you have to with the help of the hammer you have to like put the toy inside. So this is like a good stress buster. Then again we have Woody out here, just a random toy here. And this is a boat which we recently got for him, and if you were a kid of 90s, you would know what this actually is. And behind I've kept the sea sand. So to be very frank, I won't lie, there are days when I don't want the room to be very messy because it gets really messy. So I don't keep it here, I hide it somewhere. But the days when I know I can clean it up, so I just randomly keep it here and he can play with them. And this again is a toy which with the help of which you have to make alphabets. But I've just randomly kept it in this Play-Doh box. So that's that here. Again, these are books. I've already shown you these books. It's the dinosaur, horse, tiger. Again, book section here. And this last shelf, as said, that these are got books which are activity based. So I've kept them here. And this has got a Lego set, which is inside a box like this. So this is from Hamleys, and it is really good. It's not Lego, it's actually called Max. But there are all these Lego pieces inside, as you can see. Then again, here is his always an obsession with magnetic tiles. And this is very interesting. I love it, my husband loves this, and it's really fun to play and do a lot more things. So I would be getting him more for his birthday, and we can do wonders with them. This box is again from IKEA. Then these two last. Then the last shelf, as you can see, is a very much talked about class monitor worksheet. So I'm going to show you that. So this is the class monitor kit, wherein I take out the activities that I know I have to do it with him, and I place it in the box there. So this one is our recent find, and find as in I've got the entire kit. Initially I had a very small trial kit when they had recently launched. So this is more on activity based, and this is how it looks. I'm going to do a full video on this one, but I just wanted to show you what is all this. So they have learning with fun planets, and these are all small flashcards. So this is that which I have kept it here, and that's about it. This is the entire room. Now the curtain, I didn't want to get a childlike one because, as I've already told you, that we'll be moving out very soon, so I just wanted to get a basic curtain. And that's about it. I've shown each and everything that I could in the entire room. If you have any query, if you wish to ask any question, do let me know in the comment section. And I hope you guys like this video, room tour of Ayan's room. And thank you so much for watching. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay hydrated, and take care of yourself. Bye bye.